Good morning. E-learning classes managed by Modern English School. A student, myself, Sujay Kumar, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. A student, today discuss some basic problem on similarity. So dear students, now see here. Now student, one theorem is related to similarity and altitudes of triangle. So see here, question is that if two triangles are equiangular, one word is here now, equiangular. The name of equiangular other is similar. Equiangular and similar both are same, then prove that the ratio of the corresponding sides is the same as the ratio of the corresponding altitude. That means there are two triangles. Suppose one triangle is ABC and other triangle is DEF. Both are equiangular, means A is equal to D, B is equal to E, and C is equal to F. Given that, then prove that altitudes of ABC triangle is AM and altitudes of DF triangle is DN. Altitude is a line segment drawn from the vertex perpendicular to the opposite side. So, dear student, first you write given. You write let ABC and DEF are two triangles such that angle A is equal to D, angle B is equal to E, and angle C is equal to F. Then you have to prove the ratio of the corresponding sides is the same ratio of the corresponding altitude. Corresponding side is BC by EF, because angle A is equal to angle D, so opposite of angle A is BC and opposite of angle D is EF is equal to corresponding altitudes. Their altitudes is AM by DN. These are angles are given equal, so triangle are similar. So write in proof you write triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, because these triangles are equiangular, then it is clear it is a similar. So you write AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Now in triangle ABM and triangle DEN, what are equal? To find out ABM and DEN, you write angle B is equal to angle E, that is given, and angle M is equal to angle N, that is 90, because both are altitudes. Hence triangle ABM similar to triangle DEN by AA similarity, because two angles are equal and third may be equal. So now take their sides in the ratio. AB by DE is equal to AM by DN. Second equation. From first and second, LHS are equal, clear way. So you write from equation first and second, we get AM by we get BC by EF equal to AM by DM. It is your question. That is so. Now second theorem related to their medians. So dear students, here question is that if two triangles are equiangular, then prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides is the same as the ratio of their corresponding median. So first we write triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Both are equiangular, means angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. It is given, and AM and DN are the medians of the triangle ABC and DEF respectively. So I write here ABC, DF are triangle, and A is equal to D, B is equal to E, C is equal to F, and AM and DN are the medians of triangle ABC and DEF respectively. To prove their corresponding sides, medians on the sides BC and here median on the sides EF. So corresponding side is BC by EF is equal to their corresponding median. Its median is AM and its median is DN. So BC by EF is equal to AM by DN. Dear students, they are given equiangular. Then it is clear both triangles are similar because all three angles are equal to each other triangle. Then by A similarity, these triangles are similar. So you can say other name of equiangular is similar. So first we write triangle ABC similar to triangle DF. It is a sign of the similar triangle DF. If it is similar, then its corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So I write here AB by DE, BC by EF, here is F, AC by DF. It is equation first. Second equation, we write AB by DE, but here is the median, then it is the midpoint. So this BC we can write 2BM and this EF we can write 2EN. I write here 2BM and 2EN, 2 to cancel. So AB by DE is equal to BM by DN. It is equation second. Now in this a small triangle, find the relation of similarity between them. Angle is only one given here. So we write first AB by BM here, AB by DE and BM by EN from equation second. And angle B is equal to angle E already given in your question. So by SAS, two sides and included angle between them, two sides and included angle. So these two triangles are similar by SAS. So triangle ABM similar to triangle DEN. If these two triangles similar, then what happens? Then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So you write here AB by DE is equal to AM by DN. It is equation third. From first and third, from equation first and third, what we get? First, third equation this and first is it. LHS is equal, so you can write RHS is equal. So BC by EF is equal to AM by DN. So corresponding sides is equal to their corresponding medians. Now theorem 3. This theorem is related to angle bisector. Dear students, I discussed 3 theorems today. First related to altitudes, second related to their medians, and third related to their angle bisector. All questions are same pattern, only the differences slightly there. If medians, then take sides, other angle bisector, and altitude you take only angles. Here you see, this is the related to angle bisector. First you know what is angle bisector. A line segment drawn a vertex and bisect the angle into two equal parts. This is called angle bisectors of the triangle. A line segment, this is DN, and the DN divides angle D into two equal parts. This AM divides the angle A into two equal parts. So it is called angle bisector of a triangle. If two triangles are equiangular, same things, so that the ratio of the corresponding sides is the same as the ratio of the corresponding angle bisector segment. Right here given, let ABC and DEF are two triangles such that angle A is equal to D, given because it is equiangular, B is equal to E and C is equal to F. All three things are given, and AM and DN are the angle bisectors of A and B respectively. To prove their corresponding sides are equal to their corresponding angle bisector, the corresponding sides we take BC, EF and AM and DN are the angle bisectors, like as median and altitude. So dear students, now take likewise theorem 1 and 2. First you take these triangles are similar because it is equiangular. So you write triangle ABC similar to DEF because both are equiangular. Hence AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Equation first by similarity. Second, you take in a small triangle like a theorem 1 and 2 in triangle ABM and triangle DEN. This B is equal to E. Given here B is equal to E. So you write here this is B is angle E. And A is equal to D. So half of A is equal to half of D. So we write here next, that is A is equal to D. Then you write angle BAM is equal to angle BAM is equal to angle EDN. Why? Because A by 2 is equal to D by 2. A and D are equal. So by A similarity, A triangle ABM similar to triangle DEN. One B is equal and another half D equal to half D. So by A similarity both are similar. Then again take their sides are in the proportional. So AB by DE is equal to AM by DN. It is second equation. What we can conclude if from equation first and second, LHS is equal, so RHS may be equal. So write from equation first and second, we get BC by EF is equal to AM by DM. Prove. It is your questions that sides will be proportional to their corresponding angle bisector. Now see example of exercise 7b. Some question related to similarity. So dear students, I try to solve first examples of 7b. That is in the adjoining figure AHK. AHK is the similar to triangle ABC. If AK is equal to 10 cm, BC is equal to 3.5 cm and HK is equal to 7 cm. So find AC. To find AC. Dear students, first you find AHK and triangle ABC are similar. I write here AHK and ABC are similar. Then their corresponding sides are in the proportionally equal. How you write their proportional of their sides? Main things is that when your triangle is given that is it is similar, then how you can write their side will be proportional. So you see here is AH first. Then it is equal to the ratio of AB. I write here first AH, then by AB. Next, here is second, third HK. Then here is BC. Then HK by BC. Third, here is AK. And then here is AC. So there are three ratios. First, A and H. Then first A and B. Second H and K. Second B and C. Third AK. Then third AC. Now substitute their value. Find out the value of this is not given here in your question, so you don't take it. Here see, HK is 7. So now see here, HK is 7. BK is 3.5. I write here BK is 3.5 cm. AK is equal to given here 10 cm, and you have to find what is AC. So I write what is AC. Then cross multiplication 7 into AC is equal to 10 into 3.5. Then what is AC? AC is equal to 10 into 3.5 by 7. 3.5 into divided by 2 and 2 5s are. So AC is equal to 5 cm. So main thing is that how you can write the proportion of the sides of the similar triangle. Then you can solve this type of questions. Thank you. Now see example 4. In the given figure, triangle AOB similar to triangle DOC. Then prove that AB parallel to DC. So dear students, first we write triangle AOB similar to triangle DOC. Again I suggest you, if triangle are similar given, then there are two things is here. First, their corresponding angle are equal, and second, their corresponding sides are in proportional. Before this question I solved how you can express their corresponding sides. That time we take AO by DO, OB by OC and AB by DC. But in these questions I take their angles. What is their corresponding angle of similar triangle? One triangle is AOB, another triangle is DOC. Then their corresponding angles are equal. So you can say that angle A is equal to angle D, angle O is equal to angle O, and angle B is equal to angle C. Here write first A is equal to angle D. Because both are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal. So I write here A is equal to D. But these are alternate interior angle. A is equal to D means these are alternate interior angle and these are equal. So AB parallel to CD. As class 9, if alternate angles are equal, then lines will be parallel. So these are alternate angle and from here it is equal, so line will be parallel. Now see example 5. Two figures are given. Find P in the given figure. P is here. So question, what is this? First, if there are no relation between these two triangle is given, so first you find the relation between them and then you get similar. Then you can write this P is equal to what angle. So dear student, first you find what is the angle C. Here is 70, here is 60, then it is clear 130. So C is equal to, angle C is equal to 180 minus 70 plus 60. That is 180 minus 130 and it is 50. So angle C is equal to 50. Now find the relation between them. Find out, here is 6, then here is 12, here is 3.6, then here is 7.2, here is 3 root 3, then here is 6 root 3. So first we write here BC by PR is equal to 6 by 12, that is 1 by 2. Next AC 3 root 3, then it is PQ. So it is 3 root 3, it is 6 root 3, 2 jump, then it is 1 by 2. And third, AB 3.6, then it is equal to QR ratio. So it is 3.6 and it is 7.2, it is also 1 by 2. That means BC by PR is equal to AC by PQ is equal to AB by QR. All three sides are the proportionally equal of the given figure. Then you have these are the similar by SSS. How you write their name? So find from here. Suppose you write triangle ABC. ABC. So first you write 3.6, then 6. First you write 3.6, then 6. So first you write 3.6 is here, 7.2 and then 6. Then it is triangle similar to QRP. Again, you see one times. We write ABC. So first 3.6, then 6. Then it is 3.6, then this 6, 7.2 there. And here is 6, so it is 12. So you can write first 7.2, next 12. So it is QRP. So triangle ABC similar to QPR, not QRP. Then what is the angle P? So P is clear equal to C. Find out. A is equal to Q, B is equal to R, and C is equal to P. So angle P is equal to C. Because the corresponding angle will be equal if triangle similar. So P is equal to what? C, find out, it is 50 degree. So T is equal to 50 degree. See question 8 of today's session. Last question is a vertical stick which is 15 centimeter long cast a 12 centimeter long shadow. It is a stick cast 12 centimeter long shadow on the ground. At the same time, a vertical tower cast a shadow 50 meter long on the ground. Find the height of the tower. So student, first we draw two right angle triangle. Because vertical, then it is always right angle. One is a stick, another is tower. This is the shadow of a stick, this is the shadow of the tower. Your question, what is the length of the height of the tower? So these two triangles are similar. How it is possible? First you write triangle ABC and triangle DEF. First triangle B is equal to angle E. Both are 90. And it is 90, so it is equal. Second, angle C is equal to angle F. This angle are called angular elevations angle. At the same time means this time angle get equal by the sum. So it is called angular elevations angle. Hence triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. So AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. AC and EF no need, so we don't write it. Now only substitute their value and you get your solution. So you write AB is equal to 15 by DE. You have to find here BC 12 and EF 15. So DE into 12 is equal to 50 into 15. So what is D? So DE is equal to 15 into 50 by 12. You cancel it. 3, 5 ja, 3, 4 ja, 2, 2 ja, 2, 25 ja. That is 125 by 2 and it is equal to 62.5 meter. That is the height of the tower. Thank you, students.